Welcome to Mindfulness Meditation. Make sure you are sitting in a chair if possible. Center your body over your hips, back straight, hands in a comfortable position. If you are lying down, you might want to place support under your knees to ease the stress on your back. Take a few moments now to welcome yourself and start to be present. Breath. Becoming aware of the breath. Feel where it comes into the body, where it is most prominent and distinct. At the nose, the chest, the belly. As you breathe in and out, become mindful of the breath. It is inevitable. The mind will wander. Recognize the wandering mind and come back to the breath, being present, breathing in and breathing out. As you settle with the breath, be mindful of its ebb and flow as it comes and goes. Mindful of the transient nature of the breath. As you breathe in and breathe out. Being present to breath. Body sensations. Gently withdraw your awareness from the breath and become aware of your body sensations. Feel your breath sense deeper into the body. Your body is designed to feel. It is designed to connect to different sensations, an itch, a twitch, heaviness, lightness, pain, and comfort, pleasant and unpleasant, and neutral feelings. Be mindful of what comes and what passes. If your mind wanders from your body, acknowledge where it went and bring it back to the body. Being present to the body. Sound. Now withdrawing from the body, bring your awareness to sound. You might have considered sound a distraction. Include it now in your practice. Become mindful of the different sounds you hear. Your ears are designed for hearing. If your mind wanders, acknowledge where it went and come back to hearing. Being present to hearing. Mind states. Now withdraw, being mindful of sound. Bring your awareness to your thoughts and emotions. Plans of the future. Memories of the past. Notice how, like the breath, sensations and sounds, thoughts and emotions reveal the nature of change. Being present to thoughts and emotions. Choiceless awareness. Gently withdraw from your state of mind and bring your awareness into the present moment, into choiceless awareness, mindful of what is taking place from moment to moment. Be aware of what dominates, what is distinct. Be aware of sensation, sound, thought, and emotion. Sit in the now. Being present to constant change. As you observe the nature of change, notice a growing understanding that change is the nature of things, that transience can bring you peace. Loving kindness. Withdrawing from choiceless awareness, come back to the breath, breathing in and breathing out. Gently withdraw your awareness from your breath to a sense of loving kindness, to the compassion and love you hold deep in your heart. Bring it up and out now, and turn it back onto yourself. Allow loving kindness to enter and bathe every cell of your body. Congratulate yourself for taking the time to practice being at peace. As you end your meditation, may you be at peace. May we all be at peace.